So if any of you guys know what this X is all about, please let me know in the comment section. So this is on top of Ngomakurira mountain in Domboshava. I'm thinking maybe some kind of a marking of maybe the center of the range for planes. I don't know if planes can even see this. It's smaller than a house. So yeah, let me guys know what you think. Is it for a helicopter? But I wonder what a helicopter will be doing up here. Time to have my snack, my picnic. Let's see what we have. Got some things, a juice, some biscuits, and the soda, Pepsi. Okay, yeah, that's it. So whilst I'm having my juice, I'm just gonna top up my drone. Just gonna have some power. Also gonna have lunch. So this is what I have. Okay, I'm just charging up my drone here using the power bank. All right, and then this is my snack for today, for my lunch. So I love this. This snack is called Things, Willard's Things, and it's spicy too. Mexican stuff, I suppose, but it's locally made here in Zimbabwe. Yeah, it's produced by Kane's Foods in Zimbabwe. Cool. And then I also have these from Lobels. It's one of the big bakeries here in Zimbabwe. These are lemon creams. Then I'm gonna have a Mirinda and probably not have the Pepsi now, maybe later on my way down, because I still have a long way to go. See, I need to go up there. See, between this mountain and that mountain up there, yeah, that's where the trig sign is. So let me snack quickly and then continue with the journey. So I want you to see this axe that I'm standing on. All right guys, I'm just gonna continue my hike. to up there between these two mountains. I saw the beacon there, so I'm gonna try and see if I can find the, I hope I didn't leave anything on my picnic site. Let me just check quick. I think I have everything, including my litter. Yeah, we should be good to go. Yeah, all good.